So okay, so we are live for a moment. Okay. Okay, so we're in a Bitcoin trade currently. Just gonna wait for the TP to hit. I think I can take another long here. I think we're gonna try to get a bounce at least. Maybe even from this reverse down here, but let's just take a look. So I kind of just want to take this trade, take a quick 100. $120, and then I'm good. Like, don't need more, right? Just take a sniper entry, and we good. It's a very short live stream. I was just trading privately. I was chatting with a friend, and then I was like, yeah, let's just go live for a moment to share this trade. It's nothing special. I was just looking at the 4 hour. What was happening on the 4 hour? Okay, my friend told me that he was taking a long from this position right here. So this 1 hour level. He took this 1 hour level. Very nice trade. He wants to take it to the 15 somewhere over here, a 15-minute level over here. I think it was this to the wick. I think he wants to take it to this level right here. I saw some resistance in this leg over here, so I was like, let's take that short just for a scalp, and you have a very, like, there's a very big possibility. You move short, hit this, keep on continuing moving along towards this level, yes. Why do I still take a short here? If you take a look at the 4 hour, so what we did on the 4 hour, we have hit a 4 hour break. And we've moved through with the body. So we've moved through with the body completely, and what you do a lot of the times is test it back and then move short. So catch some level inside of this candle. Use this as polarity to move short. So I'm not saying it is gonna happen, because we got stuck on a 4 hour, 1 hour range, so it is strong. And we're still like trying to break out of a daily range as well. So what we did here was the same as we're doing on the 4 hour. So we're doing on the 4 hour over here. We're hitting this break, testing it back, moving short, and then probably moving through. Because we're doing on the hourly, we're doing the same. So you move through with two bodies, with one body, moving down and then pull up. So it's, or we stop above this origin level and we will continue moving up in the future, probably, or for coming days, or we will move short, create an origin level or a reverse level on the origin like this. Over here we will move short, and it will be able to hold again in the future, so you have a bounce off it, and then you will move through probably, yeah, or it holds to move completely down. But it's not what I'm expecting. Bitcoin has a very big potential up. You start laddering from this point to this point to this point to this point, so you're starting a ladder up, and so you're starting a ladder up on Bitcoin. And besides you're starting a ladder, you're holding a weekly and a monthly as well, I believe. See a monthly hold level. So you're holding a monthly, you're hitting a monthly break, you're testing back the backside. Okay, we got profits. Hello? You'll take profit, right? Whoa, we're hitting stop. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, we stopped at this level right here. Start a new ladder. Okay. So we are continuing to move up probably. So there was a greedy level over here. Aye. Okay, unfortunate. We got stopped out. It's all good. We were break even, so no stress. We broke the high on the 15. So what we're probably gonna do is hitting some level in here. So continuing this ladder long. So if the long right here, we've hit 5 minutes. It can hold again. What did we hit at 3 minutes then? 1 minute? Ah. 1 minute wick. So 1 minute wick to 1 minute wick right here. So the 15, we're breaking the 15, so we're gonna move up probably, like, in a quite a big way. Nice. Well, the entry wasn't too bad, and we didn't get any fees or whatever, so we got taken out break even. Whoa, okay, nice. Would have taken some nice profits here, but I didn't. So on this level as well. Could just take to here to this point, and we would have had a like nice 3R. It's all good though. This stuff happens. Like I was just trading, want to share this trade. Now as you can see, we got stopped out break even. It's like if that's the worst, it's all fine. It's not all good. So we're gonna end the day above the daily level probably, which make us break the origin. Maybe. We need to hard close it. We still got some resistance. So let's see. Let's see if we can find some interesting levels on top. Like now we're looking right, so oh, this is a lot of clarity right here. I think this is a very good chance of holding. I think. Why was he looking at the 15 though? Ah, see. Ah, see. It's 5 minute backside, 5 minute backside to 5 minute backside right here, and it's polarized as well. So makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. 4 hour, 1 hour. I think we can even move up higher, but I just don't wanna. Wow, eh? It's a nice push. Stake profit, bro. Nice. It's only gonna hold this, right? Yeah. Or move straight through is also possible, yes. We are gonna move straight through. Cool. Wow, man. We just hit nice. We've nicely hit the 1 hour and we're moving up. So let's see. Probably want to hit a break or something, so I kind of don't want to take any shorts here. I really don't want to take any shorts here. Reversed. Can hold again. You've hit this, so this makes sense. Also 15 reverse. I think this makes a little bit more sense, but I don't want to take any shorts here because we are long overall, right? We can still ladder down, by the way, because we're still holding daily support. We gained a 4 hour, so you can look for shorts, but I just wouldn't recommend it. It's gonna be in this range though. I think this is a very nice level short. We've hit the backside, right? So we can go frontside. So we've hit backside, so frontside is optional. Then I would take this. So then we're gonna look at the 3 minutes. The 3 minute is also possible. Like that's very deep into the range. It's top of the wick. So you're gonna take the hourly, or you're gonna get very greedy and you take the 5 minute in here. You ladder the move like. Nice, bro. With any greedier levels. This tested, all tested. Okay. Possible. Backside, frontside is possible. Let's see what the 15 is saying. Right, just go for the 50-minute break. 50-minute reverse, my bad. It's gonna hold again. I think 50-minute reverse is quite strong, right? So it was already 1 hour, already 15 reverse. 1 hour got hit. 40 minutes to hold though, so yeah, we could have taken an entry on this, but I didn't. And this is possible, so from this point to this point. We want to stay below this range, so we can take a short entry over here at least. We didn't hit the break on this side, so it's kind of we kind of want to move up. So the idea is to hit a 4-hour break now, so I don't want to be looking at shorts here basically. I also want to look at longs to break this high, if you can, because you broke this high. We stayed under this support. What we're gonna try to do is break the 4-hour high. So that's where we're going for. So you're gonna have something inside of here. It's holding the move. And that held, so you were down here. And then this is the hourly over here. We're gonna have something greedier. And on laddering, this actually makes sense. Yeah, this makes complete sense. What if you just take short here 2 hour long? So we take it like this. Put a wick above the last. You want to put it above this high basically, but I'm kind of don't want to because it makes our trade very small. If you hit this break, you want to go for the 4-hour break, so that's the most logical. I don't know. I think the only thing we can do safely is like hit take this long. So this is gonna have a reaction whatsoever, like some sort of bounce. Can hold this again, yes, but you're expecting it to ladder, right? If you're taking some level in here, you're hitting the break, and that is kind of okay. But you wanna at least try to stay under the break. So you have the hourly right here that's trying to hold it. And the hourly is strong enough. I don't want to take a knife catch on this anymore. It's possible though, like it's next ladder point. This is held like quite a few times. Take these wicks. $203. 0.4 like this. We can take it to above this now. It's kind of what you want to hit. Isn't there anything way greedier inside over here? It's 5 minutes. So that a 5 to 5 wick over here. It's possible, but like, what's the chance that this right here holds? I just want to bounce. Want a bounce. We've hit this, hit to this. We've hit, like we've held this. This is possible on the 3 minutes from 5 to 3. Oh. We can hold this again. This held twice. Bounce, start of move. Rather take this as a like kind of wicked reverse. This one above last ladder point. And it's only gonna be a scalp because we are long. Let's say to the first hourly, if anything else. Now we're trying to gain a 4 hours, so we, I think, I don't know if it's worth it though. Didn't put in this trade yet, just gonna take a look at if you can take this anywhere safe. So let's see what the hourly is basically like. Just took a short, very nice short, but got stopped out. Break even. Just took this, ladder this, blah blah blah. Get to here, your backside. So it's your kind of back front side combination. 1 hour is your 50-minute backside. 50-minute backside can bounce. That's its combination with the 1 hour, so with the hourly, yep, and it's polarized, this level. So if this level down here, it's also continuing off the ladder from down here. So basically at the 5, right, and the 5 all laddered, so 5 to 5 is also backside, so this is very likely to be hit. I don't know if you want to close the daily distribution above this level, so you will create something like this. Otherwise we just break into, but we are holding some daily strength over here. So daily to 4, 4 to 1, so this is matching. That's also why I think, like, why would you get to this point? Hold on. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minute backside contest, so you're right here. Yeah, see, so we've hit this. Hit this again. So backside held again. You go from backside to front side, or it is the hourly because you go from daily to 4 hour to 1. Doesn't mean it's gonna be perfect though, because you have 4 hour, you move quite far through and you hit a ladder point, so untested 5. Let's say we only go to this point, yeah, but I just don't want to take too much risk. I just want to keep my risk low, take the greediest entry you can find, and then we're gonna be break even. This is only going to be a 1 to 6, like only, yeah, it's quite nice. So you also have the 50-minute reverse over here. That's also very possible to hold, but I rather look at 5 to 15 makes sense actually, but I don't want to take it to just to this point because I'm thinking that's looking nicely. I want a very greedy level. This makes sense. If you hit this, it's all good. We just missed the trade. Want to take it to the hourliest combination with the 15 is 15 back frontside combination, continuing off the ladder down here. So we can basically take it to this point. I'm just thinking, like, we've hit this hourly. It's an hourly hold, so we wanna. It's inside of the 4 hour hold. So you kind of wanna break this, but you also have to hit the break on this side. So you also wanna like internally move short. So kind of thinking about the Pandora's box, and then this is very possible to happen. So possible. This can hold again if it gets reversed. So you can wick through it again, and then this makes sense as well. Okay. This is the bottom of the kind of the reversed break, 4 hour break. I think if you take a look at this, or we're gonna break just completely through. So or you're gonna break this range completely, but then we're gonna break this high. We're gonna go back down once more. Now that's more what I'm looking at, but it's also possible that you like get close to here, take out the last ladder point, so you have the final hold. So we can take a look for that. If you find the final hold, we can take a short off of that, and we will probably dump this move to some level down here to retest the trend. So I don't know why my trend is all the way up here. It moved. It completely moved, okay. Unfortunate. I believe it was to this level right here. Yep, okay, it was to this level. Gonna lock it. So you're breaking trend. You most likely gonna test back trend, or you're just gonna rip through, and we didn't. So that's making me think we can hold this again. We're holding this daily level here with a future breakout point. This is gonna bring us down, move us down, hit some levels down here. I'm looking at this level the most because this is your first low, it's your second low, so this is also possible. But over here you got your first bounce, and then your first ladder point. So we want to stay above this basically. This is possible, but like a little bit too greedy, I think. Oh, that's not what I wanted. So that's why I don't think we're gonna break above it. If it does today, you have to move above this point, but then it's gonna just fly. It's exactly what we hit. So we want to gain this and this your rejection in combination with the 1 hour. That's interesting. Crazy how the market works. Crazy how the market works. So I'm still looking at short as possible. It's just that we just had a rejection off of the level we need to gain to continue to move up. So it's kind of making me think I missed the short, and we can take a look for a long. On the other side we didn't hit the break over here, so if we hit the break here we can reverse it. We're holding a low down here. I think we can take a look for some short, but this pool is very nice, so I'm only gonna take it to this level. That's just the safest, and my only long's gonna be this down here where you hit some sort of backside, so it's gonna be in here probably. So I'm gonna take a look at longs over here. Oh, I'm gonna take a look at shorts over here, and I'm still looking at this because it is probably gonna have some sort of bounce. Do we have some untested level? Well, we got multiple time tested levels. 1 minute. So we're all the way up here with the 1 minute. This is kind of 1 minute reverse as well. So this is like greediest. But I think if something is gonna hold the move, it's gonna be a little bit bigger and stronger. So we'll be looking at possibly the next 15 years. What's gonna be our stop? It's a 1 to 4, right? That's not too bad. But if it's gonna be this, we're just gonna have a very inefficient entry. So it is the +1 of the 5 minute level. But this is 5 minutes. Oh, we need to decide fast. This is difficult. We can take this 5 minute down here. I think it's gonna be this. And next data point is gonna be like the final hold, possibly can be this. So I'm gonna put the stop above this. We're gonna have a 1 to 6. I'm gonna put in the entry. Gonna put in, oh, that's not my entry. So I need to scroll a little bit. And then put in my stop. We'll put in the $20 stop loss. Place order short. Yep. Okay, so we have officially placed a short order. This is basically our final greedy hold over here. So this is the only thing that can possibly bounce the move. I want to be break even when I get in because I'm basically a little bit against the move, because we've hit a hold level on this side. You want to try to hit a break level on the other side. The only thing is we've hit a break level on this side as well, so we can hold something in here technically, and it's gonna be in this range over here because that's the greediest 4-hour level. If you ladder the move, you want to just stay under this wick because you have like first ladder. Oh, how does this work? No. Okay, so you have the first ladder point right here. With the first ladder point right here, second ladder point right here. And that makes our next point somewhere in here. And this is literally the greediest that it can go to. And I want to be very greedy because we are against the market at this moment, like against my overall bias. even though we broke below this range. So if we broke below this range, we want to hold some. We want to hold this range. So if we broke this range in here, we want to hold this range. Yeah, so we can take a short. But we held this, so we want to continue the ladder. So we're gonna take some level in here, in this range. I think it's gonna be this one for me. If it gets there, and then we move short and we're gonna take our profit somewhere over here. So let's say we can take it over here. This is, yeah, let's just take it to this point right here. It's all good. If we've hit, what did we hit? We've hit the 1 hour, right? And then the daily target as rejection. I'm expecting this to get hit in the next hour, 15 minutes hour. Okay. We have a 5-minute level over here, 5-minute wick, 5-minute backside. Backside called test, so front side's next. What's in this front side? We've got this. I think this one is most likely. We're laddering 5 minutes from this side, 5 minutes to 5 minutes, 5-minute wick to 5 minutes. It's gonna be either one of these two orange levels, I think, and this one is the most open. If we move short now, we're gonna hit this break, so we want to stay above this, so our long is going to be inside of this range right here. Let's take for a long as well. Continuing some sort of backside, so we're letting to this point, backside, front side. I think you can take a long on this 5-minute level. It's just a little deep. You don't have anything else. I think you want to take this 15-minute level right here. This combination with the 5. 5 is combination with the 15. This is interesting, bro. I think this is quite a nice level. But we can be down here as well because you ladder, keep on laddering this point to this point. We can take the wick, but the wick, if you look at the 5-minute, you laddered the 5 completely. So 15 was just next from the hourly, and then you have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 is next. You had 5 backside, 5 backside, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute backside. So or you're gonna hit this, or you're gonna hit this. Either one of those. Backside. This is reversed, so this can hold. This wick is combination with 5, 15, no. What do we have on 3? It's been a 1 minute. That's interesting. It's been a 1 minute. 1 minute to 1 minute, 1 minute to 1 minute. This is so interesting. I think I shouldn't, I just shouldn't overthink things. Like, I'm not really overthinking, I'm just thinking them through very good. Take the, let's see what the market's doing, by the way. Okay, it still can push up in the next 15 minutes to over here. If we're moving short, we can just take like the hourly. But it's just, we've hit the hourly, so 15-minute is the -1. And this is also the 15-minute. So 15 right here. Oh, hold on. This can hold. So backside. Back front's combination. Back front's combination. Like it's backside. Oh no. Backside, back front's combination. This is a front side, this is a front side, this is the greediest front side, it's next from down here. So that makes sense. Because we didn't gain 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour. We're trying to gain. Looks like we can't. Hit the break here, so we can take a short over here. Where are we taking it to? to the not so greedy level on top. If you're gonna move, take a long or look for a long. If you look down here, with this, all hit. So the 15 makes sense. The 15 is letting from this point to this. Lower time frame range. So I think you get to this point, right? This can hold. It's 15. 15 is stronger than 5. So 15. If you have any questions or whatever, or see things that I don't see, please let me know in the chat. I'm just talking like out loud. Maybe you can make something from it, and maybe you can't. Yeah, I think you get over here again. This is an open level, yes. So, this is an open level, yes, but... Very difficult decisions. And this backside is kind of reversed in combination with the 15 minute over here. Possibilities. I think if we go for like the most obvious deepest untested level, we are down here. So this is gonna be my... I don't know if you can reach this. Because you technically ladder this from wick to... Oh yeah, so you are testing it, right? So this, you are in this range down here. 3 minutes, 1 minute. 1 minute lower is reversed, so... This makes sense. And you have the 5 minute level and you have the 5 minute reverse. So the reverse can hold, the 5 minute itself can hold. So reverse when you move through with 2 bodies. Oh, you didn't even. So we are over here. And this is a clean hold. This is an extremely clean hold. This is a very clean hold. So I think we are over here. Oh, let's look it. This is a very, very clean hold. Bottom of the 15. I think you can just take the 15 just to be a little... you can just take the 15, basically. This is holding quite nicely. You can just take the 15 or the 5 over here. You stop below this. This was your ladder point or below your previous ladder point. So if you take this or the wick, or take just the 15. So let's take the wick. Oh, it's wrong. If you take it like this, stop below this wick. No, because we're laddering, so you don't want to break the range. So you're down here. Do we have any reverses? No, this can hold again. So I kind of want to be below this. We can take the 15 itself. I'll just take the wick. But this is so clean, like I kind of want to take it like this. Yeah, this is just so clean, man. It's gonna do it at 72, so we don't get front runned. So this is it. Let me move over here. So this is our only long, the only long that I want to take in this move. Okay, like this. Let's get a long. And as long as we don't get here, this is still our target. Unless we take out the low, protect the break, then that means we're gonna try to break the top. So that's what we're gonna try. Yeah, I just took the 15 minutes. 15 minutes strong. Are we gaining a 5? We're not gaining a 5 minutes. So it's kind of a strong level, so we can still pull over, hit the 15-minute reverse. But I think because it's in combination with the daily target, rejection as target. See, it's literally the gaining of the daily body. So I don't think we can get above this anymore. Okay, so because look, you try to gain this, the target is rejection, you reject it off it, we are hitting a 50-minute, 5-minute combination with an hourly reverse, or an hourly hold, frontside hold basically, backside frontside hold. So you want to gain a 15-minute, and then you can basically take an entry on a 15-minute. Yeah, so if you gain this, we can take a short scalp on this level. I don't think we're gonna move over anymore. If I take a look at this, we can still go for the reverse, so I'm leaving the order on. Let's just move this to this. Well, let's move this for a moment. So let's see if we can gain this, and then we can take a short off of it. Because we're 1 hour 15. You can still move towards this level if you you can still move to this level if you it's 5, that's 3, that's 1. Okay, so it's almost 11 o'clock. I think I'm gonna stop trading soon. You've hit the hourly. Trying to gain a 15. So you can take entry on the 15 and then take the 15 to the 15, like to the mirror. Or it's the -1 on the 1 hour. In combination with the 1 hour itself, so it's the mirror. Okay. This is a very clean level though. So let's take another short on this. 87. Ctrl C. Cancel. What we are gonna do is put our stop above the last ladder point internally. I'm gonna take this TP. So just a 1 to 3. It's just like 1 to 3 is not too bad. Maybe 87, right? Yeah. And it still is possible. We go to this right here. So I'm still leaving my order on. Let's see for the stop loss. $20 short. Open short. Confirm. Okay, the short is in. Gonna lock it. Put it one more tick to the side, lock it. If you take this and move short and completely dump the move, then we just only have 1 hour left. So I think I want to take out maybe one more level up here, move below the daily level, and that means we're reversing it. So we want to move short for a longer period of time, because we can gain. And we broke the first range. This means this was a nice scalp. You're still continuing to move short. And this is gonna be your next range you're gonna hit. If you get an entry up here, you're just so in such a nice trade if you get below this origin level. It's a backside slash origin as well. So this is very nice. This range very nice. This range very nice. So I'm just gonna take to the 4 hour. Maybe, if I get filled. I think maybe I'm gonna take it to like the 4 hour down here. Yes, we've held this. We moved up. Gonna take this level short. Means we're holding this range. Gonna try to break the lows. We've hit the 4 hour break as well, so we want to go for the daily break, and it's down here. So this hourly is reachable. So daily. You can just take it to this level right here if you move short. We go from daily to daily, basically. From weekly strength to daily. Okay, so let's just wait. I think this one is not getting hit soon. This one is. I don't know if we can should take this, honestly. I think the next level is gonna be in here as well. You can still hit this and move short, but if you hit this, maybe I rather just take it to some level down here. It kind of was very obvious. It's all about if we close under the daily for the day or not. So if we move short, yo bro. Ja, zeker. En met jou? Ja, ja. Gewoon Bitcoin aan het traden even, dus. Yo. Yo. All good, man. All good. How are you? So we've basically broken this low already, so we've went for the hourly. Hourly held move if we hold on this side, or Pandora's boxing, or we move it breaking below this. Unless we don't close above the daily. We need to close below the daily. Okay, so what I want to see is the body close below the daily, so you create a reverse like you do here, and we move short to get some deeper level down in this range. I'm just gonna take a look at an entry. I wanted to take this 1 hour level or this 15-minute level over here, but we didn't reach it. We went for the 1 hour. So the mirror of the 1 hour we've hit on the bottom. So let's see if we can. We're not coming back up for this level. I think we still can. It's possible. Basically hit backside multiple times. So it is possible to come back up here, reverse down. But I think it's more likely to hit something of this, start a ladder, or like continue the ladder like that, because you are still laddering the move like this. So now to this, and we're moving short, and because you're breaking the range, or you broke the first range on the 4 hour over here, you just want to continue short. So most ideal would be below this, so you have a huge wick, but I don't know if we can in time. 2 hours before daily close, okay. 7 more seconds and then we likely to get filled. We're hitting some 1 minute, right? Or some polarity. Yeah, okay, it's some polarity. Let's see if we get filled. And we'll move short. And I don't know if I want to take a 1, 2, 3, or I like just take a 1, 2, 3, be happy, or move short and take it short for a big move short. We gained a full backside, front side, back fronts combination in here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go for 1, 2, 3 R and be done for the day. It's 11 o'clock over here, as you can see. Let's see. Screen is dancing a lot, bro. Fine, thanks. You mean I'm moving my screen a lot? Like this? Or you just want to watch? Screen is dancing a lot, yeah. You mean that I move it a lot? Or or is the stream smooth enough, yeah? Okay, so let's see. These are the levels on Bitcoin. Maybe you can figure it out yourself, or like you can see what I'm doing here. Like, so we've hit the hourly. I was just in a call with Fred and he took a long on this. I didn't take it, unfortunately. He took it to the 15-minute level over here, to this 15-minute wick. So quite a nice trade. Yeah, 2.25%, and he probably took it on like 50 or 100x leverage. So that's what I'm trading, 100x leverage. We can make this a little bit bigger, right? Okay. Let's see if we can get filled. Yeah, man. Gotta get some water real quick. Hold on. Okay, okay. So, yeah. Just waiting for the fill. I got an order in. I don't know if you can see it. I just got cut out a little bit. Hold on. I cannot I cannot move it in the screen down below. Got 2 orders in. One short from up here and one short from up here. And I got a long down here, but I don't know if I'm gonna trust it. My overall buys was long, but what we just did was break the first range on the 4 hour. We tested back a 1 hour level, so that's I color code my trades, my levels. So we hit the 1 hour, we hit the mirror of it, so the 1 hour reverse. I was wanting to take a short on the 50-minute reverse. We didn't get there, so now we're taking a look at what ladder points we can ladder. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off. So, or we're gonna keep on Pandora's boxing or break one side. And my thoughts are to break the low actually. Depends on how we end the day. So, because we're hitting breaks on the bottom. On a daily we are at support. So on a daily you create an origin level. And the origin level is a future breakout point. So shift a lot left and right. I don't do Bitcoin anymore. Calculated costs after I pay 0.27 per trade. Sucks. For real, man. Yeah, I had it as well as a taker. When you place your, or when you take your profits, you're a taker. So they're gonna take like 25% of your profits. It's crazy. Or 0.25% on a on some leverage. Not ideal. So we've hit the support a bit, or on the daily. So we're hitting daily support with future breakout point. It all depends if we close this body below the daily origin level. If we can close it like this, we're most likely to keep on moving short, and it makes sense with 4 hour and with the trend break. Because what you do a lot with trend breaks, so you have a trend break, you break out of trend, you test back trend, and then you move up. So let's see if we can make anything like that happen. Okay. Okay, so I hope we can get filled though. Still think we can. Or we're gonna just hit the one. minute. Yeah. Hitting 1 minute break. Okay. Yeah, so let's just wait to get filled, take a short, and I'm gonna be done for the day if we take it to profits. Kind of looking at taking it lower than just the 1 hour, but I'm kind of tired and I just wanna take this. Don't have enough time to decide or to wait for the daily to close below or above the origin level. So let's just take this trade or see if we can get filled, get a nice entry. It's also possible we still go for this right here. Oh yeah, okay, we're filled. Let's go. Okay, it's a nice hit. That's immediate creation of a new level. It's also on the 5 minutes, so we have 5 minutes to move short. So we have a perfect hit right here. It's also on the 1 minute. I'm not gonna put it break even yet, but this is looking okay. We want to gain this 5 minute level down here, and we want to gain the 15 itself. So let's see if we can create a stop loss level or whatever. So stop is right here. Let's make it some sort of white, so it's popping out right nice. 15 USDT. Kind of want to put it break even already, because it's such a perfect hit. I kind of want to put it break even. So let's put it right over here. Control C. And then change the stop to break even. Okay, we took a sniper entry and we are break even. So let's move short. Let's see. This is a stop loss. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, control SL. Like this. Maybe we can take a quick nice trade. So you literally gain the backside, so it is polarity. Don't get me wrong, we can still move up and move straight through, but the thing is we got an entry, we are break even, so it's quite nice. We're gonna put the TP 41, Control C. Oh no, not 41. 61. Hold on. What am I doing? 61, like this. Okay. Let's see if we can make any money. So if we put market price in, put in quantity 100, close short. Okay, we're gonna make a nice trade here. If this works out though. I kind of thinking about taking it lower, but I'm also a bit scared we just create a back front combination level or front side, a new front side, move over and move long. So, but because we are so high in the range, because we're so high at support, it is very likely it's moving short, and we broke the first range over here. So we broke the first range, we broke under, got some level over here, moved up, protected this break. We're moving short now. Want to close below the daily wick. That makes us move short to our next range. We want to break it, and then we go to the daily down here for our first support. I think that's what's gonna happen. So I kind of want to put my TP like at some level down here. I don't know. I don't know. Can literally like dump this move like crazy. Look at this wick as well. If you had anything back and you move short, we can test back something in this range again later. I kind of don't want to be in it. I don't want to be in it when we test, if we test anything back up here, because there is a reverse level. I think I'm just gonna take my profits. Just gonna, by the way, in the stream, I need to set my volume way higher than other videos. Clicked wrong. Opened other feed and now I'm almost deaf. For real? I don't experience that when I I don't experience that when I open any videos. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna take a look at it. Thank you for the feedback. I'm gonna take a look at it, and if you're right. So for now, make sure you stay in the stream, right? So don't close it and open another video. But thanks for the feedback. I'm gonna take a look at it. So what I'm gonna do is keep my zone. I think I'm just gonna take my profits over here. Yeah, you can take a shot at this, but it's just not. You can take a shot at this level, but I don't know, because like you can take a shot at it, let it bounce, be break even, wait for it to move up, and if you don't, we're moving through short again after. Possible. Just a multiple time frame trading. So you have some backside support over here. Yes. We're at $31 at the moment. Gonna take off my other short. And then I'm gonna take off my other long as well, by the way. I'm just gonna be done for the day. So I'm gonna take off this. We can just hide it. So this is what I want to take, and then I'm done for the day. Made my profits on top step also. Yeah, thanks for the video you sent me, by the way. So thanks for the video you sent me. I saw it. I'm gonna check it when I finish this or when this trade got his TP core got filled. So yeah, crazy, right? Yeah. Have you how did your trading day go? Like did you trade and how did it go? Like you kept your rules or you listened to your rules? So, today was a really bad trading day for me. Like I made $2,600 or 2.6k, but like, so I cannot complain. But I made 2.6k in a very bad way. Like I made 200, so 2.2k at first, and then I should have just stopped for the day, and I didn't, and I kept on trading, and then I needed to make back all the profits I lost, and I ended with 2.6k, so more than I had, but still way too much stress, way too much time, took way too long. It's just not worth it. It just took way too long, man. How was your trading day? I'm really curious. Is a 1 to oh, it's just a 1 to 3, so I'm gonna make $60 on this one. It's like it's not too much, not too bad, but not too much either. Just gonna be over $700 on his account. Yeah, so still, how was your trading day, man? I don't know if you're watching or if you turned down the volume, but yeah, thank you. We're hitting some sort of like first support over here. Shouldn't be too much of a battle to like get through it. Like first, one loss 450 and one profit. Nice. So wow, and that was the day. Like you took one loss and one profit. That's like very clean. That's amazing trading, man. That's clean trading. One loss and one profit, 3,700. Yeah, wow, that's wow. Okay, respect. That's like that's a very clean trading day. That's a very clean trading day. Like See, so you made so much progress. Just did one account, and that's all good, right? Just take one account, build it up, and then get the other account later, or you can switch in between it. Some people, I hear some people do like longs on one account and shorts on the other account. So maybe that's something you can try as well. I don't know. I think it's gonna have too big of an impact on your edge. So the best thing you can do is just stick to one account, I think, or trade two accounts, copy them. Market is a little slow now. Well, it's gonna go, I think. Just looking at candles. Yeah. Just one account, bro. That's perfect. Like, that's actually so good. That's actually so good. My trading day was very bad. I still made profits, like 2.6k, but I know I can do better. Oh no, wait, 63 on another account, but I was not okay with it. Stop trading. Okay. But that's also like a big win, right? To stop trading when you need to or when you can't. Took 63 on other account, so 63 loss, dollar loss, you mean? We can get back to this, right? $63 profit, okay, but it's like you stop trading. That's a win, right? And $63 is a win either way. Like, it is profits. Profits is profits. You gotta respect the like small profits to enjoy the big ones. Look, like I can show you my my top step dashboard. It's 2600 today, but I took 13 trades. it's a little bit much. Like as you can see, I only took like 3 trades, 4 trades, 4 trades, 6 trades, 2 trades, 2, and what did I do? 3 and a 4 and a 13. It's quite a lot, but it was because I made 2200, 2300, so 2.3k for the day, and then I want to take another level. I took a loss on it, and then before I knew I took 2 bigger losses, so I was down like $1,100 of this to 2.3k, so not on the day. So I was still in profits for 1k, but I was like, okay, now I keep on trading, and then I took another win, but it was way too much stress, way too much risk, so not worth it. But still made 2.6k. And we got a my worst trade was $517, and my average losing trade is only $165. So I'm quite happy with that. Like if you see these days, like 3.3 and 2.6, and then only an average loss of like 165, that's on 4 trades or 3 trades, that's quite nice. Let's see how the Bitcoin trade is going. also gain a full valley. I find this quite difficult. It's just taking it's a long trade, man. 15 is already half an hour plus. Yeah. Nice after all. Take good rest. Not like me. That will do. Yeah, bro. I didn't feel very good today, so went for a walk, came back, started trading, and then made too many trades. So you see what your mind is doing when you're not like fully 100% in energy and mood and whatever. Let's see if we can find some nice trades on Doge as well. It's gonna put an alarm on Bitcoin, by the way. An alert on that. Okay, so let's see if we can find any trades on those. Okay. Creating a breakout point as well. Holding it for as it looks like. Anyway, 4 hour. That's the 4 hour, right? Yep. We have another 4 hour down here. And we have some sort of backsides. With a origin level over here, maybe we've got forward in time as well. More stable, yeah. This is some polarity. It's right here. It's daily strength as well. So these are interesting points, and we have 1 hour as well in between here. So this is 1 hour, this hourly down here as well. We have 4 hour down here, by the way, didn't even look at it. We kind of do over here, and it's strong. Some sort of clean hold levels in here. It will probably be hourly candles. It's also logic because it's low in the move. Okay, so look at the 1 hour. Yeah, it's literally the same. Okay. Then from this point to this point, this is possible. Something in this range. If like a lot of hourly levels down here, but I don't know if you want to take it. An hourly level down here, don't know if you want to take it. Let's keep it with 4 hour and the dailies for now, and then this hourly is okay. This hourly is also okay. We're gaining 4 hour, doing the same as Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. So you have this range, you're testing back this first valley. You're not going for the break, so that's interesting. We took out another valley though, or another range. We gained the 4, we held the 4. We're at the 4 at this moment. We kind of broke through, slash didn't. I think you should see it like this. We're just not breaking it yet. So we're still in this range. You can look for ladder points in here, so you can take a look at what are we laddering internally over here. Look for longs down here, and then look for bounces down here. So as targets, you can take shorts from up here down to targets right here, or just short scalps, because we're kind of in a zone where it can do all the unthinkable. It can go long and short, because we're at a first support level. We didn't really break any ranges on those. Yeah, let's just I'm getting really tired right now, so I'm gonna close the stream. I'm gonna just let this play out. Maybe take my profits a little bit earlier. I think I'm just gonna play it out, because let it play out, and then I'll see you tomorrow, I think, or I guess. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll leave this one online, the stream. You can watch it back if you want. I'm just leaving this trade running, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do and what it does. Okay. Good night.